reproduction in flowering plants, we start from the topic flowers. Flowers are not only just to please us or to increase the beauty of the environment. Actually, the flowers are the reproductive organs of the flowering plants. They help to reproduce the plants. They help to reproduce or to continue the species of the plants. Although they are of different colors and they are looking very beautiful, they give very beautiful sight to our eyes, and we feel pleasure when we look the flowers, but actually these are the reproductive organs of the plants. They help to continue the species of that specific plant. Okay, so these are the, in this chapter you will learn about the flowers, and you will learn about the basic structure of the flowers and the parts of the flower which help to reproduce, and which you can easily observe in this diagram on the page 19. They have shown you the structure of the flower, and these are the colorful leaves, and these colorful leaves of the flower are called petals, and these underside the petals, the green color leaves are called the sepals, and this is a stalk on which these you can say the circle of the leaves have arranged, and in the center portion there is a female part that is called carpel, and it has three parts. The solemn part is called the stigma, then this neck like stylish part is called style, and this swollen portion is called the ovary. Okay, ovary, style and stigma, these are the female parts of a flower. Then come over here, these filament like structure, they are actually called stamen, and they are the male parts of the flower. This is a filament, and this smaller portion is called an anther. Inside the anther, pollen grains are found. So this was the structure of the flower. First you must know only the structure of the flower. These are the petals, sepal, and this is a female reproductive organ, and these are the male reproductive organs. This is called stamen. This is a carpel or the pistil. I have told you about its parts as well. Inside the ovary, ovule is found, and inside the ovule, egg cells are found. Okay.